In a city where malls are more than just shopping centers, they're destinations, experiences, and cultural icons. Two giants stand above the rest: Dubai Mall and Mall of the Emirates. One sits beside the world's tallest building, the other beside the world's only indoor ski resort. Both promise luxury, entertainment, and a taste of the extraordinary. But here's the real question. If you only had time for one, which mall should you visit? Let's find out. Size, layout, and design. Let's start with the obvious. Size. The Dubai Mall is a true megastructure, over 12 million square feet of total area and more than 1,200 stores. It's not just the largest mall in Dubai, it's one of the largest in the entire world. Step inside and you'll feel like you've entered a miniature city. The corridors stretch endlessly, with entire districts like Fashion Avenue, the Village, the Souk, and the Dubai Aquarium Zone. You could walk for hours and still discover new wings, new corridors, and new restaurants tucked into unexpected corners. Now compare that to Mall of the Emirates, which spans about 2.4 million square feet and features over 600 stores. It may sound smaller, but that's part of its charm. It's compact, elegant, and easier to explore. You can go from luxury boutiques to fine dining to an indoor ski slope in minutes. It's an experience designed to be refined and seamless, not overwhelming. Where Dubai Mall feels like a grand metropolis, Mall of the Emirates feels like a perfectly curated European shopping district. Polished, walkable, and graceful. The shopping experience. When it comes to shopping, both malls represent the height of retail luxury, but they cater to slightly different audiences. The Dubai Mall is all about scale and spectacle. You'll find flagship stores from the world's biggest brands: Louis Vuitton, Cartier, Dior, Gucci, Chanel, often in sprawling, double-story spaces. It's the mall where luxury meets leisure and where tourists often spend hours browsing just for the experience. You'll also find high-street brands like Zara, H&M, and Uniqlo, making it a one-stop shop for every budget. The range is unparalleled. Whether you're buying a designer bag or a box of dates, there's something for everyone. Mall of the Emirates, however, takes a different approach. It's more curated. Fewer stores, but higher focus. The Fashion Dome and luxury wing house boutiques from Hermes, Bulgari, and Prada, while Harvey Nichols and Chalhoub Group stores offer premium collections under one roof. It's the mall for shoppers who know what they want: elegant, efficient, and quiet luxury. While Dubai Mall offers endless variety, Mall of the Emirates delivers a smoother, more refined retail experience. It's less about exploration and more about exclusivity, entertainment, and attractions. Now this is where things get fascinating. Dubai Mall is more than just a shopping destination. It's practically an amusement park. Inside, you'll find the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo, home to over 33,000 marine animals. Just a few steps away, you can go ice skating at the Dubai Ice Rink, experience VR adventures at Play DXB, or watch your kids role-play real-world careers at Kidzania. And just outside, the iconic Dubai Fountain and Burj Khalifa, two of the city's biggest attractions, both directly connected to the mall. Tourists can shop, dine, and then step out for the world's most famous light and water show in one seamless day. Mall of the Emirates, on the other hand, offers something truly unique: Ski Dubai, the world's first indoor ski resort in the desert. Imagine skiing, snowboarding, or playing with penguins, all while it's 40 to starting around outside. That alone makes it worth visiting. It also has Vox Cinemas, Theater by Rhodes, where you can enjoy a movie and gourmet meal simultaneously, and Magic Planet, one of Dubai's largest indoor family entertainment zones. In short, Dubai Mall brings you the world's biggest attractions, while Mall of the Emirates brings you the world's most unexpected experiences. Dining and culinary culture. Dubai's food scene is world-class, and both malls reflect that perfectly. At Dubai Mall, dining is as much an experience as shopping. With over 200 restaurants and cafes, it's a food lover's paradise. Imagine enjoying dinner while watching the Dubai Fountain Show or sipping coffee with Burj Khalifa glowing in the background. You'll find everything here, From Michelin-starred restaurants like Armani Ristorante to local gems like Al Halab in Social House. It's a mix of global flavors and unforgettable views. Meanwhile, Mall of the Emirates offers sophistication over spectacle. Dining here feels more refined, with gourmet restaurants and designer cafes woven into its luxury layout. You'll find upscale spots like CLV, GIA, Ashes, and Texas de Brazil. The Fashion Dome area in particular is lined with elegant dining options, ideal for long lunches or evening cocktails. So while Dubai Mall is all about vibrant dining with a view, Mall of the Emirates is about elegant dining with atmosphere, location, and accessibility. Both malls sit along Dubai's main artery, Sheikh Zayed Road, but accessibility plays a big role in the visitor experience. The Dubai Mall, located in the heart of downtown Dubai, connects directly to the Burj Khalifa Ish Dubai Mall metro station through an air-conditioned walkway. However, because it's such a major tourist magnet, it's often crowded, and finding parking can be a challenge during weekends. Mall of the Emirates, located midway between downtown and Dubai Marina, is also connected to its own metro station, and it's generally easier to reach, park, and navigate. It's less hectic, making it ideal for travelers who want a relaxed day out without the downtown rush. So if you want convenience and calm, Emirates wins. But if you're chasing the full downtown energy, Dubai Mall delivers it in every direction, crowd and ambience. Let's talk about the vibe, because the feel of a place often defines your experience. Dubai Mall is electric. It's always busy, filled with tourists, influencers, and families. Every corner feels like a global melting pot, a space where dozens of languages fill the air and where there's always something happening. Mall of the Emirates feels calmer, more elegant, and slightly more local. You'll see more residents, expats, and returning shoppers rather than first-time visitors. It's less about spectacle, more about comfort and refinement. So, while Dubai Mall gives you that "I'm in Dubai" excitement, Mall of the Emirates gives you a feeling of calm sophistication. Family and kids experience. For families, both malls deliver big. Dubai Mall is unbeatable for kids, with Kidzania, the Aquarium, VR Park, and the ice rink all within walking distance. Parents can relax at cafes nearby, while children have full-day entertainment. Mall of the Emirates, however, has Ski Dubai, and for most families, that's enough. Kids can build snowmen, take ski lessons, or even meet live penguins. Combined with Magic Planet, it creates a more concentrated but equally thrilling family experience. So for variety, Dubai Mall wins. For unique family fun, Mall of the Emirates holds its ground. Seasonal events and experiences. During Dubai's high season, from November to February, both malls come alive. At Dubai Mall, the Dubai Shopping Festival transforms the area into a global carnival, with nightly drone shows, music events, and massive sales. You'll also find fireworks and New Year's celebrations that attract millions to the Burj Khalifa area. Mall of the Emirates, meanwhile, turns into a winter wonderland. During the holiday season, Ski Dubai becomes a snowy Christmas village with decorations, themed shows, and special packages for families. Both deliver magic. Dubai Mall wins for global glamour. Mall of the Emirates wins for festive coziness. Luxury experience. Luxury is Dubai's language, and both malls speak it fluently but differently. Dubai Mall is about grandeur, the largest fashion avenue in the Middle East, luxury hotel connections, and breathtaking architectural design. Walking through Fashion Avenue feels like walking through a high-end museum of brands. Mall of the Emirates is about discretion, elegant boutiques, calm corridors, and the exclusive vibe of Kempinski Hotel. It's not trying to impress with size, it's trying to impress with taste. So if you want luxury that shouts, go to Dubai Mall. If you prefer luxury that whispers, Mall of the Emirates is your match. Accommodation and nearby attractions. Tourists often choose malls based on where they're staying, and here's the breakdown. Dubai Mall sits in the downtown district, surrounded by luxury hotels like Address Downtown, Palace Downtown, and Armani Hotel Burj Khalifa. You're minutes away from Burj Khalifa, Dubai Fountain, and Souk Al Bahar. It's the perfect place to stay if you want to be at the center of Dubai's action. Mall of the Emirates connects directly to the Kempinski Hotel in Sheraton, with easy access to Jumeirah Beach, Dubai Marina, and Burj Al Arab. It's central but quieter, ideal for travelers who prefer shorter commutes and a less crowded stay. Price range and value for tourists. Both malls cater to all budgets, but the value lies in the experience. At Dubai Mall, prices range from everyday affordable to ultra-luxury. You can grab a coffee for a few dirhams or shop for watches worth millions. It's democratic in its offerings. Tourists of all types feel welcome. At Mall of the Emirates, the shopping leans more upscale. Even the mid-tier stores often feel premium because of the ambiance and layout. For tourists looking for more exclusive items or limited edition collections, this is the better bet. If your goal is variety, Dubai Mall wins. If your goal is elegance and ease, Mall of the Emirates is your mall. So which one should you visit? If it's your first time in Dubai, the answer is clear. Dubai Mall. It's the city's heartbeat, a place that captures Dubai's scale, ambition, and spectacle in one location. You'll spend an entire day exploring, dining, and experiencing everything the city stands for. But if you've been here before, or you prefer a more relaxed and refined experience, Mall of the Emirates might just win you over. It's easier to navigate, more exclusive, and filled with that signature Dubai sophistication. Whichever you choose, one thing's certain. In Dubai, even a day at the mall feels like an event.